Hello, this is Ben with Belmont Solar. Today we'll be taking a look at the overview of a solar inverter. So this is a SolArk inverter. I tried to design the systems with the ideal components according to the needs at hand, and the SolArk worked well for this system here. This display on the inverter shows four main things. This is like a four-way intersection. There's the solar coming in, there's the grid, and power can be coming in or out of the grid accordingly. There's the loads. Those arrows are always going up because the loads or the power usage only goes one way. That does not go in reverse like the first two sometimes do. And then the battery, that's also bidirectional. And right now we're using a little bit of power out of the battery due to lower sunlight, and nothing coming in from the grid at all. So this house is self-sustaining at this point. So what's inside this magic gray box? This is grid, load, solar, and battery. There's also a connection here that can be used as a generator input. That can be also used as a smart load. So this inverter really is the heart and the brains of a solar system. It really can put the power to wherever it's needed, wherever it's used, wherever it's stored, and so forth. As you might know, there are many choices for inverters. And it doesn't stop there. There's also probably a million different choices for lithium batteries now, and maybe even more for solar modules. But at Belmont Solar, what we care about is choosing one that works well for the application. We usually tend to have three main inverters or other components that we work with. Rarely is it four or more. Usually it's one, two, or three main ones. SolArk is one of the first two inverters that we go with. The first one usually when there's a battery involved. So we try to tailor every system for the optimal, best user experience possible, and for the best performance possible, and for the best longevity possible. And those three things come together to make a happy contractor and a happy client and a bright future.